Before you start any drywall, plaster, or paneling removal, there are a few things you should consider to keep yourself safe, including what protective gear to wear and health hazards like lead-based paint and asbestos. Drywall or plaster walls that have been saturated should be removed because the materials cannot be completely cleaned and dried and can cause future health hazards. To determine how much of the wall to remove, look for the water level line from the flooding. If the water level was less than 2.5 feet, the wall material should be removed to a height of 4 feet to facilitate reinstallation of full sheets of drywall. If the water level was more than 2.5 feet, the wall material should be removed to a height of 8 feet or the ceiling junction. Installation of full sheets of drywall is more cost-effective than cutting and installing specific heights of wall covering. To safely remove the walls, first remove items mounted to walls and the faceplates of switches and outlets. If you're planning to save and clean trim and paneling, use a box cutter to cut any caulk from the molding. Tap a pry bar into the back side of the molding to loosen it. Use a crowbar or hammer claws to gently pry the molding loose. Remove protruding nails and screws. If you're not planning to save the molding, bend the nails over to prevent accidental puncture wounds. Before you begin removing the wall material, turn off the power breaker in that area to prevent accidental electrocution. Mark a line and cut the wall at a panel seam above the flood level line. Cut the wall with a drywall or reciprocating saw. Adjust the blade so its depth equals wall thickness to avoid cutting studs or wiring. Remove the wall panels in large pieces to minimize dust and place them in sturdy garbage bags for disposal. Remove nails and screws from the studs. Fibrous wall installation saturated by floodwater should be removed completely. Clean and dry the area thoroughly before replacing the wall material. For more information on disaster recovery, visit epa.gov/flooded-homes.